Hello all, my name is Isaiah Rampersad. Welcome to my new YouTube channel where we'll be covering everything FPV, from freestyle to builds, all the way to racing, and even epic footage. Today, I have the Chris Rosser AOS UL8 frame that I'll be building on the channel. This is my first 8-inch build, and I am very pleased and happy to share it with you all. In this build today, we'll be using the T-Motor F100. This is the 2810 size motor at 1350 kV. It's quite experimental, but I'm really looking forward to what these motors may have to offer. I'm also using DJI O3 Air Unit. That's going to be partnered with the SpeedyBee F7 stack. And I'm also using a Gap RC GPS module. And I'm going to be running TBS Crossfire Diversity on this build. First thing I'm going to do with this build today is go ahead and assemble the frame first so we can get everything fitted and then figure out our layouts. Mind you, Chris Rosser has done an awesome job with this frame as far as having the versatility with your layout. And you can see you have two locations where you put VTX and then that stacks mounted right there in the middle. So yeah, this gives you super versatility and a lot of room, to manage everything, your cables and etc. So here I'm currently using the Chris Rosser build guide, and I am following along his steps. It's very well explained and laid out and streamlined, and also a very considerate way. Here's another part of the video that was well explained with great consideration, was with us assembling the feet. They have to be assembled in a particular way so that your motor wire can run to the inner strut to take them directly to your ESC. As you can see here, once I have built everything up, I was able to lay it out in place just to have an idea how it was all going to fit together. Here I'm soldering on my capacitor as well as an XT60 lead. Ultimately, some of these components I did change. I changed out the stack. This is a 50 amp speedy, and Chris Rosser did recommend a slightly higher 55 amp, but I ultimately just went all the way and got the 65 amp ESC as well as a bigger capacitor for this setup. Here I'm just doing a bit of layout stuff and pre-soldering, just getting everything in place and ready to be soldered. And here we have it, the completion of my first attempt building the Chris Rosser AOS UL8 frame. Everything went together very well. I did make a couple changes on this build. I've changed the electronics I went with, upgraded to a 65 amp ESC, and I've also changed the capacitor, put a bigger capacitor on, and also an XT90 lead now from an XT60, just to give the power delivery that the setup can handle. I did a bunch of testing, and I'm really happy with this, how this drone flies. It's actually probably one of my most robust drones, and definitely my most range capable drone, as it has tons of room to lift even bigger batteries than you will be used to seeing on like Camaro 7, etc. So this is an awesome platform for FPV. I've had tons of fun with it so far, and I look forward to all the fun that is left to have with it.
Thanks for watching, everyone. I look forward to sharing some more experiences with this drone as I go out and test and push it to its limits. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay along for my FPV journey.